Hi, I'm Chantal. I am the, oh look, better hair day there. I'm the marketing manager for Silverstone Park, joined about 6 weeks ago, so quite new to the role. I just wanted to have a few minutes today with you just to explain to you a little bit about some of the exciting updates that we've been doing at the park. And for those of you who might not be familiar, Silverstone Park is an advanced engineering and technology business park, and we are located at Silverstone, adjacent to the circuit. We've been operating as a business park for just over 10 years now, and we have 90 businesses there at present, and we are founding members of Silverstone Technology Cluster. We are quite linked, obviously, with the kind of whole motorsport area, but you might be interested to know that actually most of our occupiers are working on different things as well. So we work within aerospace, agri-tech, defence, marine, medical and space. It's quite a diverse client mix that we've got there. And what makes Silverstone Park a little bit different from everybody else is that we've got 4 centres of excellence there at the moment. So if you work in engineering or technology, these things can really kind of help you, give you the competitive edge, having them right on site. So we've got the Sports Engineering Hub, which has custom-built wind tunnels, and you might see some of the Olympic teams or the Olympians down there at the moment. They can go and test the actual kind of track that they're going to be racing on. They can test their clothing. They can make minuscule little adjustments to their bikes just to get them fit, ready for Olympics. We've got a industrial metrology facility with Hexagon. We've also got a sister site in Milton Keynes. We've got the DMC, Digital Manufacturing Centre, which do digitalised additive manufacturing, or in layman's terms, it's like 3D printing, which again is really important for anyone like on the engineering side of things. And then we've got A+3T testing as well, which is one of the UK's leading laboratories for electric vehicle testing. So they are able to test large-scale electric vehicles right down to small component pieces. So I know I've only got a couple of minutes today, but I just wanted to share 2 quick videos with you. The first one is a little update from our occupiers about what's been happening at the park, and it just gives you a bit more of a feel. And then I'm just going to show you a quick video about a schools programme that we've been running, because it's quite inspirational and hopefully we'll set up the day nicely talking about innovation.
So the business environment at Silverstone Park is really diverse. It's still got a lot of motorsport and F1 DNA, but we are, across all the businesses here, I'd say you'll recognise that we're very sector agnostic, from bin lorries to 3D printing to machine building, battery technology. So very diverse, but still the common theme is high technology.
3 years ago, we had an expansion plan. It was to move to Silverstone Park. We're surrounded by customers, existing and potentially new, but equally located in the best place for what we do, and that is Motorsport Valley.
The name and the location of Silverstone is, I would almost say, key to us. You know, location, location, location. Everyone knows where we are, everyone knows where we're based, and they know the type of service and activity we are going to offer being based at the circuit. So we really believe in the name and the location.
So looking at Silverstone Park, the attraction wasn't just the location, the Silverstone brand, the name, but it was the cluster and the way that the businesses come together to solve problems. It's not a park with 20 businesses, it's a park with 20 businesses working together. And it's that community that allows you to do more with less. That's really why we came here.
One of the great things about being at Silverstone Park, as well as all the technical staff that are here, the design staff, which is our core business, is that the suppliers are here as well. So obviously when we do a design, we design it, we know what we need to buy in. There's always something you've forgotten, you've got the wrong size, something doesn't quite fit, you should have ordered a slightly different specification or something. If we were anywhere else, we would have to order the parts, wait a day or 2 for them to come in if we were lucky. But here, the suppliers are actually here. So we literally just walk across the yard, buy the bits that we need on account, we come back and we're up and running again within minutes. That's been really useful in all of our prototype builds.
Silverstone Park has a technology cluster based here. So there's a lot of companies in this area, not just in the park, but within sort of 60 minutes of the park. And that enables us to sort of share information with each other and share experiences.
If you look at Silverstone Park, it's very exciting and it's a great place to work. If you look at all the businesses around us, there's a lot of technology, a lot of energy, and the benefit of that is that people working for me feel they're part of a bigger community.
Right, there's one last video. This is a short one. So we have been running a schools programme as well, and we've had about 4,000 students across Northamptonshire come on site, and they've had the opportunity to go into the businesses and see firsthand what they're doing, and the feedback has just been phenomenal. They really have been inspired. It's a programme that we're going to continue to roll out. We're hoping to expand as well. We want to get into the field of coding for women. So yeah, this is just a few little clips from that, and then I'll leave you alone for the day.
We're here at Silverstone Park today, bringing 50 young people from a local school to see the different occupiers based here who are going to be opening their doors and showcasing a variety of inspirational workplaces and roles available.
The programme engages young people through a series of site visits, workshops, tours and talks, and really gives them an insight into the STEM careers that are available right on their doorstep.
So moving from learning things from a textbook where they can't visualise and actually interact with things into a working environment really helps inspire them when they actually see the things and how it's not just a core subject at school, but also something they can turn into a passion project in their careers and futures.
There's like an insight of what's life going to be after school, and I all found it really interesting, and it's something that I wouldn't choose to pick, but because I'm here it's really intrigued me and I'm very interested now.
I think all of the companies here are really interesting, but especially the carbon fibre was really innovative and interesting.
It's a work opportunity which spans from management to being a mechanic to being actually a rider, marketing and so on and so forth. So I think that link was not so clear at the beginning, and at the end of the event it became much clearer.
After the Ducati visit, I really want to work in the motorbike industry. There's so much to it, and I think it's just such a big opportunity.
I think the Ducati has been really insightful, and this is something I'll be looking at in the future.
I just changed the wheels on Lewis Hamilton's old race car. I've never done anything like that. We just got trained while we were there. It was very interesting. I found it very educational and very nice.
I found that going into areas that we wouldn't typically learn about, because in school we don't learn about this kind of companies, we learn about the subjects themselves, we don't learn what actual careers there are, and this allows us to see a spread of the careers that are available.
There needs to be a lot more female encouragement in the STEM industry, even if you're not particularly an engineer or you're not particularly good at maths. Whatever your interest is, there's something there.
It's actually really interesting to come to night out and see how it's all made and stuff like that. Like, it's really interesting.
It's opened up other things that I wouldn't think about before, especially like with the creativity aspect. It's something that I think I might like to do when I'm older in the future.
I hope the young people will go away after today, and in 5 years' time we will see them here at Silverstone working for one of the businesses that they've visited.
Cool. Thank you so much, everybody. Yeah, the team are around at the end, so if you've got questions, not just about, being an occupier on Silverstone Park, obviously we all have a common interest and we want to grow through the Silverstone Technology Cluster. So, I'm always really interested to talk to other people about marketing and other opportunities and how we can collaborate as well. So please do find me at the end. But yeah, thank you for your time. Thank you.